Have you ever wanted to extract text from an image? Well, now you can with Canva's new app, which is called Text Extractor. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva ambassador. And let's go to my screen and I'll show you how it works. I come to my home screen. I'm going to go to Apps on the left. And I'm going to type in Text Extractor. It is worthwhile looking at all these apps from time to time as they're changing, adding new ones. I'm going to use it in a new design, and I'll go to the presentation layout because that will be probably the best one for you to see. And now it's asking me to choose a file, so I'm going to click on Choose a File. And this is the one with a screenshot that I did earlier. You can see it's a PNG file, so it is an image. And it's now asking me to extract text and add it to the design. Let's click. And here you can see, I need to make this text a lot larger. What I'm now going to do is add a page. And I'd uploaded this text previously. Obviously, I've lost all the images because that's what I'd asked it to do. What I will do is make this slightly smaller. Close it up there because we don't want the image anyway. And then I'll drag this text onto this page. And you'll see it's actually taking up all the text really well. It was a simple page to follow, and you can't use it for too complicated amounts of text. But you can see all the words have come out with no problems. That was just a very quick demo of Text Extractor. There are lots of new text apps at the moment on Canva, so I'll be playing with a few more of these. And if you're interested and want to know when they come out, please hit the subscribe bell below and you'll be notified when I produce my next video. I hope you found this useful and I'll see you soon.